she is very inspired for the first time that she joined this Philippine pageant, but she wasn't expecting that she was able to make it. Even though that she's deaf, but she's still standing here with you. And I work as a volunteer for the deaf as the organization named Philippine Federation for the Deaf Youth Section, representing Visayas from Manila, organization from Manila. And she's a board member representing Visayas. And I like to travel around the Philippines about deaf to help other deaf to develop the awareness for deaf culture, for deaf culture. But for deaf people, even though they cannot hear, but they can do anything what they can do. Also, in the government, some other deaf are working there in the government. But the only thing that they are asking is the respect from the hearing person. You can, they don't want to be discriminated, that though they cannot hear, but they can do what we can do as well. As a translator. And also she experienced as the was crowned Miss Gay Deaf Queen Philippines 2015 at Manila, and she got the crown. But now she's joining this pageant and I hope she can have fun with it. Thank you.